Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set alarm in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. First of all, go to the home screen and here you will find clock icon. Just click it. And here you go to choose alarm icon. And by default, some alarms are set. Okay, 8:30 a.m. it is set and 9 a.m. it is set. These are the default. Suppose if you want to use this, yes, you can just turn on this button and if you want to use this settings, yes, you can leave it and but this only be this alarm is set for only weekdays. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, except Saturday and Sunday it is set. Suppose if you want to set your own alarm, yes, you can do it. Okay, also you can modify, of course you can modify this alarm. Okay, that's not a problem, but if you want to set fresh alarm, yes, you can do it. I will teach you how. Just go to this plus symbol and now you can set your own alarm. Here I set 5 a.m. If you click on PM, 5 p.m. will be selected and 5 p.m. your alarm will be ringing. So here I set it to 5 a.m. and in repeat you can select the days. Here if you select this first one, then Sunday will only have the alarm. If you select all days, all 7 days will have alarm. If you select some particular days, those particular days will have only alarm. Okay, so whatever may be. Here I select all days and click on OK. Also, if you are having this icon, just click it and to modify time. Okay, if it's okay, then leave it. Okay, then alarm sound. Here you can set your sound. Okay, by default it is set to crisp ring. Okay, if you want to change, yes, you can select any one, or if you want to add your own tone, just click on add new and any music file can be added here. Suppose if you have any music file in your local gallery or in your SD card, that will be listed here and you can choose anyone. But as of now I don't have anything in my phone, so it's not showing here. And yes, I would like to set from the system tone itself, so get moving I was selected here. That is the alarm sound as of now. Okay, if you later think that if you want to change it to other tone, yes, you can do it. Of course, that's not a problem here. And then vibrate here. If you want to have vibration along with your alarm ringing, yes, you have to keep this button turned on. Otherwise, turn it off, and there will be no vibration when you get your alarm. Okay, so then next label. If you click on label, it will ask you to type something. So here you can assign any name for your alarm. For example, if you are getting up on 5 a.m. for particular purpose, that purpose can be written as a note here. For example, if you want to go to a function, just you can write go to function, or if you want to go to your friend marriage, particularly write friend marriage, like that you can make a note. Okay, for example, if you want to study earlier, just you can keep it like study. Okay, so here I just type study. For your reference I just type study. Yes, so click on OK. This is label is like a note to your alarm. Okay, so I can understand that here 5 a.m. if my phone ringing on 5 a.m. on all days, I can understand that at 5 a.m. I got to study. Okay, so whatever may be the purpose may be maybe differ for you. Okay, so it's not compulsory to set that note, but it will be that is a useful feature for you. Okay, so it will be easy remembrance for what purpose you are going to set your alarm. Okay, yes, I have set everything, and after that click on tick mark and it is set now. So in this way you can easily set alarm for your phone Vivo Y100 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.